So, hey guys, how's everyone doing? Close this. Let's go here. I'm really sorry I'm late, guys. I'm really sorry I'm late. I'm really sorry I'm late, guys. So, I just had some stuff that I had to, attend to real quick. But now I'm here, so let's get this video started. So as you guys are hopping on, let me know where you guys are watching me from. Comment down below. Let me know where you guys are watching me from. Smash the like button and smash that subscribe button as well. So how was your night, guys? We have Thanksgiving coming up tomorrow. So let's get this video started. So we'll be looking at GBP JPY here. So we got resistance here and we got support right here. Price is just consolidating right now. Looking at this right here. So we have this consolidation right here. Looking here at the 15-minute time frame. To get in buys, we need price to break and close above 154, 156. And to get in a sell, we need price to break and close below 153, 373. I would say 153.66, but looks like it's not enough pip range. If we take a look at it, let's see here. Okay, it's about 23 pip range here. So if we have a break below 153.66, could be a good opportunity to get into a sell as well, and buys above 154, 153. But we'll see how that plays out. As you guys are hopping on, let me know if you guys can hear me clearly. Give me a second, guys. Can you guys hear me? Just give me a second here, guys. Hey Duma, how you doing, Duma? How you doing? Cool. So yeah, that's for GBP JPY, as I was saying. Let's take a look at gold here real quick. Okay, so looking at gold here, so looks like we got a quick downtrend here from this supply zone here at the top. Price came back into this demand zone, which is you can say support zone here, and rejected this support zone here. Excuse me, guys. So if we have looking at gold here, if we should have a break below 1782, then we could see price potentially getting down here to 1777. Let's take a look and see how many pip range that is. That's about 42 pips, hopefully. So that's that for gold. Just looking at this here. So let's take a look at, let's see here, GBP USD. For GBP USD, looks like I'm only going to be looking for sales. I'm only going to be looking for sales for GBP USD, and we have, this is the potential take profit target here, the price that I'm anticipating that price will potentially get to. That's about, let's see here. That's about just 62 pips. We can have a 30 pips stop loss. That's about 62 pip range. So that's that for GBP USD. I started this this live stream late today. I really apologize for that, guys. I just had some things I had to take care of. But we live now. We're live, so we'll see how it goes. Good morning, Schumann. Good morning, Schumann. I hope you guys had a good night. I'm pretty sure you guys had a very good night. As you guys are hopping on, make sure you guys smash that like button. Let's get the YouTube algorithm to start working in our favor. Yeah, so how about GBP CAD? So what I want you guys to do is, if you want me to take a look at any pairs, just send it to the Discord. Send it to the Discord group and I'll take a look at it real quick. Oh yeah, Schumann. I know that about you. I know you definitely want this very bad because you always on your grind. You're working and you still find time, to get on the charts. And whenever I'm live on YouTube, you're always here. So I know you're one of those people that definitely want this bad, and I know you definitely get there. It's just a matter of time. Let's go back to gold here. Okay, nothing is going on here at the moment. Looking at gold. Let me look at Euro JPY. Okay, so looking here at Euro JPY as well, there's really nothing going on at the moment. Price did close below this previous support zone, but this was a fake out, so we're still going to be looking for sales here if we want to get in on Euro JPY. Hey Paulo, how you doing? Hey Duma, how you doing? Cat JPY. Okay, I'm gonna do some markups here real quick. So we're gonna go down, we're gonna go above here, we're gonna go here to the 1 hour time frame and look for our zones real quick here on CAD JPY. So we have a high right here. This is a high over here. So I'm doing these markups on the 1 hour time frame. So we have this high and we have this low. And I'll tell you why you guys see me using like about 4 to 6 zones on my chart. Now the reason why I do that is because now for my entry, I really only need about 2 zones, a high and a low for my entry, but I have like 4 to 6 zones drawn on my chart because of my take profit zones. So those other zones that you guys see, those are my potential take profit zones. So I'm just letting you guys know and understand why I have that many zones on my chart, and that's just how I trade. Those other zones, those are what helps me to identify my potential take profit zones. So we had a high here, a low here. Let's see here. We have a high here, a low here, high here, which is a resistance, became support over here. And if we look here to the left hand side, we have a low here, another support here, which is also now this zone here now would become a potential take profit target if price should close below this low here. So, but let's see how many pip range that is. It's about 18 pips, probably gonna give us about 15 pips if we get in that trade. And we have another low right here. And I like to draw my zone week to week. So some people will they like using just the body, but for me, I like using the week, from week to week. That's what I like to do. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 zones here. And I'll have one more zone here. So we have a low here. And I'll just move this final zone here because I don't think our JPY is going to drop. But but at the same time, you never know. So if we have a break above 98.50, then we have potential take profit here and another potential take profit here. Let's see how many pip range that is. We're looking at this on the 1 hour time frame right now. We have 19 pips here. Excuse me. So we have like 52 pips altogether. So, and our entry is just going to be here on the 15-minute time frame. So that's that for JPY. So we'll see how this plays out. I really believe CAD JPY is going to be a buy, because we can see here on the 15-minute time frame, price is kind of, you know, price is respecting this trend line here. So you're welcome, Duma. Sorry guys if I'm not, responding to your comments. I'm just trying to, look at, focus on the charts. Then also I'm also trying to read you guys comments, but I'll definitely get to your comments, guys. Hey Schumann, did you send your chart? Let me know. Did you send your chart to the Discord? All right. Look at USD JPY. We have a high right here. Excuse me, guys. I think I need to get me some water. Yeah, I'm gonna go get me some water, guys, as soon as I'm done with this. So we have this zone here. We have this low right here. And we had this low. So we had another low right here. We had that low. So looks like we're gonna be looking at buys for USD JPY if we're trying to get in USD JPY. Remember guys, if we do get in any trade today, it's gonna be a quick scalp. We're only gonna have just one take profit because it's the end of the year. Then we have Thanksgiving tomorrow, so we really don't know how the market is gonna respond today. So let's see what other zones we have here. This is USD JPY, Schumann. This is USD JPY. Right now I'm trying to look for another zone, but looks like I'm on the 4-hour time frame right now. I'm just trying to look for another zone here, but looks like I got to go back in time for me to find another zone, and that's what you guys see me doing. I'm on the 4-hour time frame now though. I just have to go back in time for me to find another zone. That's how it is sometimes. So we have this zone here, and we just got to go back in time. Another zone here. I'll just use this zone right here. USD JPY has really been in an uptrend here on the on the higher time frame. I just have to go back in time for me to find a zone. So let's go back to the 15. Okay. So looking here at USD JPY, if we have a break above this resistance here, then we could see price get into this zone here, and this closes in about 9 minutes or so. About the 19 pip range. So we'll see. What do you mean not yet, Schumann? I'm trying to figure out what you mean. Yeah, so I'm just trying to figure out what you mean, Schumann. Oh, okay. Looks like GBP USD is it's like we're gonna have a break below this support zone here. So we'll see what happens. Let's take a look at gold. Okay, gold is also pushing down as well. See gold pushing down. Yeah, last 100 is heading towards this next zone here, right here at 161.24. You see we had a break, retest, and price came back down. Alright, GBP JPY is really not doing anything right now at the moment. Currently in a range. Okay, you sent it. I'll take a look at it. Let's go back to you. Oh, look at USD JPY. Is there a news event? Let's see here. Oh, but we have we have a high impact news here at 9 a.m. for USD. So I'm gonna wait. Yeah. This is a high impact news. You see this red folder here? Yeah, this is a high impact news here at 9 a.m. my time. And that's like in an hour. So when this candle closes, obviously it should close above this zone. We'll see what the next candle is gonna do, but now we're gonna have to wait because this is just about a 14 pip range, which is good enough. 14 pip is good enough. You'll be amazed by what, even if you just getting 10 pips a day, it's all about compounding. You'll be surprised what 10 pips per day can do for you by the end of 6 months. You'll be surprised. Okay. Yeah. So like gold is going to close below this zone. Let me go back to the 1 hour time frame here. So what do I have here? So it's on here. Yeah. This is the previous high right there. So this candle closes in 2 minutes. Okay, we see the XY going up. The dollar actually is strong. That's why we see gold dropping, and it's about to break this high that it created right over here. Created another high here, and it's about to close above this high, and we should see the dollar should keep going up, or we can use this wick up here. We can use this wick here, and we should see the dollar should keep going up. Yeah, all right, Schumann, I'm gonna take a look at it. Where did you send it to? Okay, let me see. British GBP. Can you make your chart bigger and send it again? It's just all over the place, but what I see here is a downtrend. I wish you didn't have, I wish you didn't have the Fibonacci and then this moving average here, so that it can look clean and I can see the chart, real good. Right now, it's just all over the place, but I do see a downtrend, and I see that you have this support zone here, and it's just about to close below support zone right there. But I think looking at this right here, we had this rejection right here at this high right over here, and then price just started pushing down, and this is on the 4 hour time frame. Obviously it's going to look different on the lower time frame, so I would say a downtrend. Looking at GBP CAD, it's on a downtrend. It's definitely on a downtrend. Yeah, GBP CAD is definitely on a downtrend. Okay, gold didn't close below our zone, so we stay out of this trade. USD JPY did close above our zone, but we just gotta wait to see. I like the fact that this candle wick, we have this wick right here. So if this candle turns bullish, then we should see price heading towards the next zone. You just gotta wait and see. Let's go here to the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, if price breaks above this consolidation here, we should see price heading to this zone here, 23, and that's about 23 pips. Or you can wait for price to break, above this range here, which is somewhere over here for GBP JPY. But price is currently in a range right now. There's really nothing going on at the moment. Okay, send it again, Schumann. You're welcome, Schumann, but you can still send it again. You can send it again if you want to. This was a good sale right here during London session, because if we go here to the 1 hour 4 hour time frame, this was a good entry, and this happened during London session. You have your confirmation here on the 4 hour time frame for this gold sales. I've looked at the 4 hour time frame, we have looked at the 4 hour time frame, or maybe even the 1 hour time frame, and you would have seen that price was clearly on the downtrend. Then we had the pullback, and then price came back down. And if we go to the 4 hour time frame, we had nothing but clean candles. We had nothing but clean candles here on the higher time frame, and now price is trying to give us a downtrend continuation. So now we just gotta wait. Since we missed our entry here for London session, so we just gotta wait. And there's no reason for us to be looking for buys, trying to go long right now is going against the trend. Okay, all right, cool, Schumann, that's fine. See what we're saying again. So there. This was a freaking good range right here. Man, this was a 100 pip range. That's incredible. This gold move here was like a 100 pip range. So it's good when you're scalping. You can look at the higher time frame to see what's going on, and then you can have your entry on the lower time frame. GBP USD. If we go here to the lower time frame, we can clearly see that we're in a downtrend. So there just would be no point for me to be looking for buys. I'm just wasting my time if I'm looking for buys. Now I can get in a buy above this zone here, 133886, but if I get in a buy, I'm probably just getting in a pullback, and it could be that the trend is changing, but it could just be a pullback as well based on the higher time frame. That's why I have all these potential zones that price could possibly get to. But nothing is really going on at the moment. Looking here at USD JPY, this 15-minute candle closes in 4 minutes, so we'll see how it goes. I need to get me some water, guys. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back, guys. So we have this candle. So we have this candle closing in about 1 minute. So we'll see what's going on with USD Okay, see here. Get in this trade, guys. You can get in this trade. USD continue its uptrend continuation. We'll see how it goes. So first take profit is just right here. Even though it says 17 pips here, it's probably going to be like 15 pips according to your broker. And we're looking at this for 17 pips. You know, if you want, you can have your, maybe your next take profit here for 30 pips. It all depends on you. Or you can just close out this trade whenever you want to. How many of you got in this USD JPY trade? Did you guys get in? Okay, so we have GBP USD coming down. We could have a sell right here. Potential take profit target down here. Can have my first take profit here, just for 25 pips, so that should give me about 20 pips. And we're currently in the blue. We're currently in profit, and you know, I could have just not to be greedy. So if you look here to the right hand side, these numbers here, these bold numbers, those are the stop loss. The red is the stop loss, and the blue is the take profit. I'm just showing you guys the I'm showing you guys the potential take profit target if we would have been using at least 3 take profits. Looking here at GBP USD, I like the fact that we have this candle that closed bearish. We had the wick right here. The wick pushed up to this, back to this support zone here. So I'm kind of confident that we should that GBP USD should keep dropping, because the dollar is actually strong. Oh, let's see here. Oh, okay. There is a big event, news event coming up at 9. Oh. Let's see here. Okay. So the news event that's coming up at 9 is definitely gonna affect gold. So we'll see what's gonna happen with gold come 9 o'clock. GBP JPY is just ranging here. The hardest time of the year to trade is right now. This is the hardest time of the year to trade. If you've been trading for a while, even if you've just been trading for 2 years, you would absolutely know that this is the absolutely the worst and the hardest time to trade. Look at NAS 100 here. If we look here to the left, this was our previous high right here. Now, it broke the previous low and then pulled back and then broke this previous low here. Now, some people would have anticipated that price would have just kept on going up. But if you look at the 4 hour, the 4 hour clearly tells you everything you need to know. But at the same time, the fact that it broke this here on the 15-minute time frame, some traders would have gotten here for a buy, and this happened during Asian session, which is the worst time to trade, especially indices. I prefer trading indices during New York session. Sometimes I trade it during London session, but I prefer to trade it during New York session. And it should be moving right now, but it's not doing anything right now at the moment. But we'll see what's gonna happen after the news event coming up at 9, and that's in about 15 minutes. Maybe we'll see some momentum. Maybe price might continue coming down, or we could see a reversal. So we'll see. But I don't like trading news though. I prefer, except if it's NFP. Okay, now we see it moving. Okay, GBP USD is not doing nothing at the moment. Let me know if you guys got in those 2 trades. Yeah, so it's all a waiting game now. For also getting these gold sales, we need, price to break and close below this. But we have that news event coming up at 9. Um, and I believe it is gonna affect gold. So we'll see if we have a bearish continuation or if we're gonna see a reversal. So we'll see. And if we see a reversal, then prices should be heading back towards, obviously, this previous high, which is going to be about that's about 100 pips if you want to target this zone here, but we're not going to target 100 pips. You can if you want to, that's your decision. I'm okay with 20, 30 pips, especially trading at the end of the year. Trading at the end of the year, you will see those big moves once in a while, but you're not going to see it a lot at this time, except on pairs like, gold, because they're very volatile. So now we see price pushing down. News is in 10 minutes. Oh, Rondell. So your USD JPY trade, you're in profit in demo, but you're not in profit in your live account. That's definitely your broker's spread. What broker are you using, if I may ask? Alright, guys, I'll be right back. We have 7 minutes before we have this big news event. So we'll see what happens. I'm waiting to see what happens with what's gonna happen with gold. So um, we'll see what happens. And we have about the potential 40 pip range here and all the way down here. Altogether we have about 94 pip range, but I'll be okay with 40 pips. We'll see how it goes. I'll be right back, guys. Right. So let's see. It's 9. Let's take a look at the news here. Okay. Let's see. Let's see here. Okay. So gold is rejecting this zone here. Let's see what happened with the news. Okay, the high impact news was positive. We're not in the negative. So let's take a look here. Let me look at the dollar. Okay. I do not like this at all. I'm not confident. For me right now, this is just consolidating. Gold is just consolidating at this support zone here. So I'm not confident. And USD JPY is just ranging right now at the moment, but hopefully we will see some movement now to the upside. Okay, GBP USD is not giving me what I'm looking for. I mean, what I anticipated, but we'll see what happens. So we have our stop loss above this zone. Hopefully we'll see some bearish momentum now. Okay, Rondell, you're using FX Ray. Okay, I believe FX Ray has, I believe they have low spreads, but it depends on because I believe they have different type of accounts. I believe they have an account with no commission, and they have another one with low spread. So I don't know. I don't know which account you're using. Yeah, I'm still looking for sales on gold. That's all I'm looking for. Right. All right, guys, let's get back to the charts. Let's take a look at. Okay, now we see GBP USD dropping. Do you guys trade gold? Do you guys like trading gold? Do you guys like trading gold? I'm selling gold. Sold gold. We have GBP USD and USD JPY in profit. Oh, okay, Rondell. Right. All right, guys. I'm okay with the 3 trades that I placed today. So no more trading for me today. All I'm doing now, just looking at these trades that we in right now. We got GBP USD in profit, and we got USD JPY in profit. USD JPY is actually 10 pips in profit on my end. Yes, Rondell, you can, but you're gonna have to use a micro lot size, like 0.01 if you want to trade gold. 0.02 max on $100 account. Even though I wouldn't recommend it, but if you want to, you have to, you know, manage your risk. So if you want to, I'll say 0.01 lot size and 0.02 maximum lot size on $100 account. Well, looks like gold is not giving me what I anticipated. We'll see what happens. We're currently in a drawdown. That's 100 rejected this support zone here. DXY is trying to break above this this zone here. At this point, I'm just watching the trades we're on closely. So far, the only trade that's in the negative, if you took the gold trade, we're in the negative right now. We're in a drawdown. But I still believe gold should drop. We kind of have a tight stop loss of 40 pips because, you know, hey, it's gold. So hopefully our stop loss doesn't get hit. This here. Okay, the strategy I'm going to recommend for a small account is just focus on getting 10 to 20 pips a day and, you know, keep compounding your account that way. I hope that helps. Man, come on, gold. You need to keep dropping. When I trade gold, I really don't like using, most of the time, I really don't like using a tight stop loss like this. I usually have more than 40 pips stop loss, but we'll see what happens. I really should have my stop loss above this zone here because price created a resistance. Price created a resistance right here. So my stop loss really should have been above this zone. But at the same time, that's really a lot of pips. That's about 60 pips right there for stop loss. But I'll just leave it here. I'll just leave it right here. Wow, that bullish candle closed red. But we're clearly in an uptrend for USD JPY, and we're clearly in a downtrend for GBP USD. So overall, we're in a good trade. Except for gold, I might have entered too early, but we'll see what happens. Like JPY broke it. Heading towards the next zone. GBP JPY still consolidating. GBP JPY just really looks messy right now. Just really looks messy. Euro JPY is absolutely a buy as well. This candle closes in 5 minutes. Hopefully the next candle is going to be a bearish candle, and we can just have a downtrend continuation. See if we have a trend line here. I'm kind of cool with this with the stop loss though, because we have it above the trend line here. Even if price is gonna pull back, it might just hit our trend line here and just bounce off this trend line and then continue going down. But you never know. The market is always unpredictable. See what the dollar is doing. Okay. So the dollar is finding it hard to break this previous high here. That's why we see gold acting like this as well. So if the dollar eventually breaks this, if the XY breaks this zone, then we should have a uptrend continuation. We actually should have an uptrend continuation by now, because the previous high was right here, and then price broke it and then pulled back to the previous high, and we should just have an uptrend continuation. But like I said, the market is always unpredictable. But if this candle closes, hopefully the next candle is going to be a bearish candle, and maybe we'll finally have a break above this recent high at 96.90. So we'll see. But I'm gonna be ending this live stream soon anyways. Well, all right, guys. Thank you guys for hopping on. I'm gonna go ahead and end this live stream. If this is your first time on my channel, make sure you smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, and you can also join my Discord chat signals down below. The link is gonna be down below in the description. So guys, thank you guys for hopping on. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm gonna be dropping a new strategy for you guys. I believe I'm gonna drop it tomorrow, Thanksgiving. So you guys stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good day and have an amazing Thanksgiving tomorrow.